We have been hearing news about thefts and burglaries taking place in residential layouts. Appointing security guards or installing a full-fledged CCTV is an expensive proposition for residents. Installation of a single Wi-Fi camera is an answer to all the above problems. This is less expensive and you can install the camera by yourself. The total cost of the installation of the CCTV will be less than 2,500 rupees per. All you need is a Wi-Fi CCTV camera and a memory card. The best option is the Xiaomi Mi 360 Home Security Camera 2K. The cost of the camera will be around Rs.1500 to 2,300 depending on the specifications. Buy one memory card of 64GB which will save data for almost 2 months. Installation of the camera is very user-friendly. You can fix the camera at your preferred location. The best option is at the main entrance. Generally, all the houses will have a parking area and at the ceiling, you will have a lighting point. Near the lighting point you could fix the camera and take a power connection for the camera. When the camera is fixed, reverse and you have an option in the camera settings in the application to change the directions of the image. On your mobile, download the Xiaomi Home application from Google Play Store and install the same. Before installing the camera at the location, you need to insert the memory card and connect to the network. Switch on the camera and then it will prompt you with the installation process. Once you complete the installation process, fix the camera at the location and you can start viewing live pictures. The camera comes with 360 degrees and you can rotate the camera with the option available in the application to view other locations. Thank you for viewing this video. Please do like and